They know exactly what buttons to push.
Yes! Finally! The Phantom Elite Pro Max just dropped and
How much?
It was on sale! Only $79.99. That's basically 70 quid. Why did it do that?
Because you got hacked. Ollie, that price tag? That's spell number 1. They call it the left digit effect.
What are you on about? $9.99 is cheaper than 10 quid. That's just maths.
Wrong. Your brain doesn't do maths when you're shopping. It skims. You see this 9? Your lizard brain goes, oh, it's in the 9s. Cheap, safe, good deal. But the real price?
That felt personal.
It is. Companies spend billions testing this. Actual billions. They know that $19.99 feels way cheaper than £20, even though it's literally 1 pence different. They're not rounding down to help you save money. They're hacking your perception. They're exploiting the way your brain processes information when you're in shopping mode.
Oh no! Oh no! The drop for Nebula X headphones is in 12 minutes and there's only 47 left. I need to buy them right now or they'll sell out and never get another chance and...
Stop. Breathe. You're panicking.
Of course I'm panicking! Limited stock!
This is spell number 2, artificial scarcity, and you're falling for it hard.
But it says limited stock! If I don't buy now, everyone at school will have them except me!
Stop!
What? No! No way! That can't be right!
They're lying. That timer? It's fake. It resets every hour. That limited stock number? Randomly generated by an algorithm to trigger your FOMO, fear of missing out. They want you to panic buy before your brain catches up and asks questions.
So none of it's real? The urgency is just made up?
Not the scarcity. The fear is real. And that's what they're selling. They're not selling headphones. They're selling the terror of being left out, the anxiety of missing the deal. That feeling in your chest right now, that's the product.
But what if they actually do sell out?
Then they'll restock tomorrow, or you'll find them somewhere else. These are mass-produced electronics, Ollie, not limited edition artwork. There are thousands of them sitting in warehouses right now.
So every time I've rushed to buy something because of a countdown timer?
You got scammed.
Yo, what's up, fam? Your boy just got the Phantom Elite, and I'm not gonna lie, this thing is mental. Like, genuinely changed my life. Link in bio, use code BESTFRIEND for 10% off. Love you guys! See? Even he says it's worth it, and he never lies to us. He's always honest about products.
Ollie, he doesn't know you. He's never met you. He doesn't know your name.
He literally called us fam, and he always reads comments and replies to people.
Spell number 3, parasocial relationships. This is the most dangerous one because it doesn't feel like manipulation. It feels like friendship. This bloke, he got paid £5,000 to say that. He doesn't use this product. He filmed 12 of these in one day. He's not your mate. He's an advert with a personality.
How do you know that?
Because I can see the reflection in his glasses. He's reading off a script. And check the description. Affiliate link. You know what that means? Every time someone clicks and buys, he gets a cut.
He seems so genuine. He talks like us. He likes the same games we like.
That's the spell. But the second you click that link, you're not fam. You're a transaction.
So he's just acting?
This is his job. And his job is to make you trust him enough to spend money. The more relatable he seems, the more you trust him. The more you trust him, the more you buy.
What about the influencers who say, I only promote products I actually use?
Then ask yourself, why do they use a different product every single week? Why do they suddenly love a brand they never mentioned before the day after signing a sponsorship deal? Why does their honest opinion always come with a discount code?
I feel betrayed.
Good. That means you're waking up. These aren't just tricks. They're not random scams. They're a system, a machine, and it's always watching.
What is that?
Algorithm. It learns what you want, what you click, what you pause on, how long you watch, what makes your heart rate go up. Then it weaponizes it. It feeds you more of what triggers you, more urgency, more fear, more desire.
So it's studying me?
Every second, it knows you better than you know yourself. knows you're afraid of missing out. It knows you trust people who seem like you, and it uses all of that against you.
That's actually terrifying.
It doesn't want your money. Not just your money, it wants your autopilot. It wants you to stop thinking, to stop questioning, to just click, buy, consume, repeat.
So how do we fight it? How do we beat something that knows everything about us?
We don't fight it. We wake up. We slow down. We ask questions.
So, what do I do? Just never buy anything again?
No, just pause.
Next time you see a price, round it up. See a countdown? Refresh the page. See an influencer? Ask who's paying them.
Pause before I click.
Exactly. The spells only work if you're moving too fast to notice them.